When the lion's roar is heard, the birds stop singing. Origin: Kenya. The presence of powerful forces can silence smaller voices. This Kenyan proverb illustrates how dominant entities can overshadow others. It's a reminder of the impact of authority and influence, and the importance of respecting and acknowledging different perspectives.